Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ruffled border for your tapestries. If you like this design, you can find it for free on my Ko-fi, link in the description. You're going to need to know how to slip stitch, single crochet and double crochet. The amount of yarn that you'll need will completely depend on the size of your tapestry. I used a 5mm hook, a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. To start, we're going to make a slip knot to attach the yarn to the hook. And now we're going to slip stitch into the top left corner. Now do 1 single crochet into the same stitch. And now do 5 double crochets into the same stitch. When you've done the first corner, we're going to move on to the sides. We need to skip 1 stitch and then do 5 double crochets into the next. And we're just going to repeat those steps until we get to the next corner. When you get to a corner, you need to put 7 double crochets into it. And once you've completed the corner, just repeat the steps of skip 1 stitch and 5 double crochets into the next until you reach the next corner and do 7 double crochets into there. And we're just going to repeat this all the way around. Once you've completed the last set of double crochets, we need to cut the yarn and pull it through the loop. And now we're going to attach the yarn to a tapestry needle. Now we need to insert the tapestry needle into the very first stitch that you made. Now the only thing left to do is to weave in the ends. Now that the ends are weaved in, the border is done. If you made this, then tag me on Instagram at Nocturne Knitting. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching!